Monday morning is off to a warm start as we will end up seeing a nice warm summer day. That's all ahead of dangerously hot temperatures expected to take over as early as tomorrow. This morning, off to that warm start, a lot of us into those mid to upper 60s. 65 degrees in Poplar Grove, 68 in Dixon, 64 in Mount Morris. We may still lose a degree or two before we end up warming things up. Overall today will top out in the mid to upper 80s this afternoon. So a nice warm summer day, a little relief, if you will, from the heat we saw yesterday. We'll even see a couple passing clouds mixed in with sunshine as we are going to end up staying dry. Now the heat building into tomorrow brings us a number of alerts. Let's break them down. First is going to be a heat advisory. It goes into effect at 11 o'clock tomorrow and expires at 9. So this is just for Tuesday, as some of our area counties may see the heat index value climbing up to 110 degrees at times. That is possible even into tomorrow. We'll also see an excessive heat watch go into effect on Wednesday morning at 11 o'clock for the entire area. This is a potential to see your heat index values climbing anywhere between 110 and 115 degrees. That doesn't expire until 8 p.m. on Thursday. And some areas are expecting to see those kind of heat index values, hence this excessive heat warning. That's in effect for Stevenson, Joe Davis, Carroll, and Whiteside County. And again, that's not until 11 o'clock on Tuesday, lasting all the way until Wednesday. So we are going to end up seeing some very hot temperatures, all thanks to this pattern. This large area, heat dome, if you will, thanks to what we call a ring of fire. Hot and hazy conditions set in, and looks like they really just parked themselves over much of central United States. As we get closer to the weekend, you can see that jet stream does dip down just a little bit, as we will slowly start to see some relief. But couple very toasty days to get through until then. Look at your heat index values into the triple digits starting tomorrow. Temperatures themselves, we may get awfully close to breaking 100 degrees. Definitely going to be a hot one, especially by Wednesday. So make sure you're taking all the precautions. Lots of water, frequent breaks, especially if you are going to be outside for prolonged periods of time. For today, though, a great summer day, perfect to go out into the pool if it's still open. Temperatures will fall into those mid 60s overnight as we do see partly cloudy skies. That heat sets in tomorrow. It lasts for several days. Some relief there by Friday, but talk about relief into the weekend. Upper 70s, sunny and dry. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, looks like we'll also see much of the same even into parts of next week. Manny.